Okay, so I'm going to show you how to take out the 3-hole punch from a unit that already has it, and we'll put it back in. It'll give you an idea of where the spatial position of the unit should go. The first thing you need to do is, of course, power off your machine. Once it's already powered off, open up the side, pull out so you can disconnect the finisher from the machine itself. The first screw to take out will just be a little screw here on the side plastic. Then we will rotate a little bit. First screw. Then we're going to take these 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. That's a little tight. We'll get it when we... And we can go ahead and take the screw out at the same time as well. You can move this plastic piece out of the way. Now this screw, it's a little tight in there. Hopefully we'll... There we go. Take the plastic piece, get your screw so it doesn't get misplaced. You're going to disconnect over on the side here. There's the top power and a data cable. Power has a little clip. And the data is able to pull it. Put that to the side. Oh, we missed one screw here. Cover off. Now we have 2 screws.
You have more torque. Yeah.
Someone used a lot of torque on this earlier. Okay, Mr. Fabio, no more high torque. All right, so 2 screws. Pull out your little, as you can see, the hole punch hole container. And now, this whole unit will just somewhat easily come out. There we go. So the whole unit as a whole comes out. So when you're going to put a new unit in, there's something usually covering this up, and you're going to have to make sure that you have this whole section open so you can install your 3-hole punch. And then, just going backwards, when you do put your 3-hole punch in, your 2 latches here will line up, and down below, again, this is where your 2 screws are going to go. So just going in reverse order, we can do this last.
You gotta plug it back in.
What did we, I think we did our going in reverse order. And we take our,
Remember to plug those 2 back in.
I don't know if you can see, but it's going to be the top port.
Hold it.
Well, shouldn't be. It's just we got our power cable wrapped around that. Actually, hold on.
There.
What I would like to do You know what?
It's free now.
No, I was going to say let's disconnect it and, or actually, I disconnect the power from it and unwrap so that it's not being contained by these. Hopefully you didn't have somebody wrap all your cables like that too. And that way you can function a little better. Alright. So now it should not be as difficult of a time because look at all the freedom now.
Yep.
So, easily goes back into place. Oops, yeah.
No, the other way.
I
There
did.
you go. Now you just put this side. There you go. So this needs to go over here. Like, open it again. This needs to go there. Okay. There.
That's good. Oops. So deep. Gonna undo. We should have locked the wheels in place to make it easier on us.
Is it there?
You just have no magnets. You need to magnetize your bit to hold the screws a little more easily. And then final screw just holds this back in place. Your
The tray.
collector back in. Slide the whole unit back into place. Power it back on and you should be good to go.
That's it.
That's it.
Thank you, Jerry.